Every year, millions of people wake up, go to work, and end their day feeling trapped, stuck in a cycle that leaves them unfulfilled and exhausted. If you're tired of living on autopilot, it's time to take control of your future. 2025 is your chance to break free and design a life that works for you, not the other way around. This is Wealth Ignite, where inspiration meets action. The rat race. It's more than just a metaphor. It's the endless cycle of working to earn, earning to spend, and spending just to keep up. Promotions feel like progress, but deep down, it's the same treadmill, just a bit faster. Sound familiar? Here's the hard truth. The system isn't designed for you to win. But what if I told you there's a way to escape it entirely? The 2025 mindset shift. 2025 is not just another year, it's a fresh start. The rules of success have changed and the opportunities are everywhere. But first, you need to shift your mindset. This year, the goal is simple. Stop trading all your time for money. Instead, start building a life that gives you both time and financial freedom. And owning your time starts with mastering the tools and strategies of this new era, breaking free from the rat race. So, how do you break free? Let's get practical. Here are 3 powerful steps to put you on the path to freedom. Invest in yourself. In 2025, your skills are your greatest currency. Learn how to effectively use AI tools. They're game changers. With AI, you can break into industries faster, build websites or apps with ease, and automate tasks that used to take hours. Whether you want to start freelancing, break into tech, or create your own business, the tools have never been more accessible. Build multiple income streams. Relying on one paycheck is financial suicide. Start a side hustle, invest in the stock market, or sell a digital product. Even small passive income streams can snowball into something big over time. Cut unnecessary spending. Stop spending on things that don't add value to your life. Redirect that money into investments or personal development. It's not about deprivation. It's about strategic choices. The long-term vision. Remember, escaping the rat race isn't just about making more money. It's about creating a life where you wake up excited every day. It's about freedom, fulfillment, and building something that truly matters to you. And here's the best part. The choices you make today will set the foundation for the rest of your life. So, why wait? Start now. Don't let another year go by feeling stuck. You have the tools, the knowledge, and the drive to break free from the rat race in 2025. Subscribe to Wealth Ignite for weekly insights to help you break free, build wealth, and live free. Your journey starts today. Let's ignite your potential.